How to allow camera access on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to talk about how can you exactly allow the camera access on your Roblox. It's a simple and straightforward procedure, so ensure that you follow the instructions carefully to grant Roblox the necessary camera permissions. If you're using an Android or iOS device, you will need to grant permissions by accessing the app information page. On Android, you can do this by long pressing the Roblox app icon, selecting options related to the app, and choosing the app information. Alternatively, you can navigate to the phone settings and locate the app section. The process may vary depending on your device. You can also access the app through your settings, then go to the Apps tab and manage them. Locate Roblox, enter its app information, and find the permission section. Here, you can grant camera, contact, files, and media and microphone permissions in your phone. Crucial for utilizing voice chat in Roblox, once the camera permissions are granted, you can immediately use the app. But if you're in the PC version, you have to go to the settings and go to privacy. Then after, simply scroll down and go to camera input. There you can see the option indicating use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. You have to enable this option over here. And also remember that your video will not be shared with the Roblox other users. The green dot indicates that the Roblox is using your camera. You can also manage the other settings like who can make you a member of your private server, who can join you in the experiences, or who can see your inventory. You can also adjust the settings in that category. This is how you can allow camera access on Roblox. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing help tips and tutorials. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.